everyone, it's Deborah at Heat Transfer Source, and I have 3 things to tell you today. First and foremost, all of us at Heat Transfer Source are wishing you and your family very good health and that you'll stay safe during these difficult times. We all have to pull together as a community, and you're our community, so good luck everyone, and hope you're well and stay well. Secondly, I'm going to start doing lives on YouTube, probably once a week or even more. But more importantly, I'd like to know what you'd like to see or learn on a live. It can be about vinyl, it can be about Cricut or silhouette or what kind of crafts we're doing, something new. So please reach out to me by direct message and let me know what you'd like to see live. And thirdly, and most fun, is it's time to announce our giveaway. So as you may know, I did a video, first the guys did a video on Wolf Lady, and then they challenged me to produce her in Cricut and do it. So I did her on a canvas. They framed the canvas. It's signed by yours truly. It's going out to one of you who have commented, liked, and shared the video on YouTube, who have subscribed to YouTube, and I can't wait to tell you who it is. But first, let me show you what you're gonna win. You're gonna win this, and you're going to win all the vinyl that was used in it. So we have 4 types of glitter, and these are 12 by 20 sheets. We have 2 neons, and we have soft metallic in green and red, rainbow metallic, spectrum, and flock. Okay, and we're also sending you one of my favorite things that we sell, which is a Tweety light. And this makes everything so much easier when you weed. You can find this on our website. Okay, drum roll. Our winner is Life with Amanda. Life with Amanda, congratulations. Please contact me by direct message. Tune in to our YouTube channel, and if you're not a subscriber, everyone, please subscribe. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and look for another contest real soon. Bye.